if you please. Now this next song I'm doing in a minute, the kids need to be down on the dance floor. So kids, if you are about, come down to the front. We can have a bit of a dance off over here. We are. That's it, as many kids as possible. Down on the dance floor. Big kids invited, yes. Big kids are invited. And the crowd goes wild. Oh, you got a lovely. Right, I'll tell you what, kids. Are you up for a bit of a dance off and we can see which is the best crazy dancer? Oh yeah, good stuff, because this next song, you might not know that well. Anyone know Shakira? Give us a wave. I like that, give us a wave. Lovely. Well, it was on her first album. This one is a bit of a tango-y song, so kids, you need to dance your craziest dancing ever. Head banging, twisting, shaking, whatever you want. This one is Objection, and it goes like this. I'm going to look for the best dancer, so let's see your moves. Go, anything you want, anything you want. It's not very crazy, it's not here. That's better. Now I thought that she's so irresistible. Go for it. Come on. Oh. Anything. It's really simple to when it comes to you, you don't care. That's so just no deception. You're gonna give your attention. I'm ready for feeling after my love, but you don't even matter. Take that candle to this triangle. That is it, get to sing on blowing your heart in your hand. No way, I got to get away. Shake it. Block this. Or if you can shake in the back. Keep going. Lovely. Switch you to the corner and better know. Sky in front of your eyes, I've been before. Yeah. You got no smoking doors, so better push your feet off the ground. I see why there's a lot of objection, a lot of deception. We gotta pay your attention. I know it's a free and natural nothing, but you don't even bother. Take your fingers with this triangle. That is it, got to tangle. Put it up in your hands and go. Go in, go. I wish there was a chance for you and me. Come on, kids. I wish you could find a place to be. See you talking. This is the game to go. Take us back. There's never again to be. But you can try it. Reverse it. Don't you count on me. No, don't you count on me, boy. What kids, crazy as you do. Okay. You're doing really well. So crazy. So I'm taking a lot of deception. To bring me your attention. I know you can free it, not from out there. But you don't even bother. Take the candle to this triangle. That gives us dance to tango. Blow it up from your hands. No way, I got to get away. Get away. Get away. Are you ready to finish the positions? Anything you want? Get away! Well done, give yourselves a nice big cheer, boys and girls, you did well. Grown-ups, give them a cheer. Oh, well done, guys. I think the best crazy dancer so far has been you. Oh, you did very well, Matt, but you know, she was going for it. Well done. You're doing well so far. Can we have a nice little round of applause for this lovely little one down here? Well done. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we like them over there. They're very, very nice. Now, I'm going to do a song that everyone can join in, so we're not just the kids. Now you should all know this one. It's one of those songs that you know all the words to, which is good, but all you need to do for this one is sing one word, really easy, really loud. Are you ready? This word is perfect. Here we go, I'm going to come down there and see how loud you can be. Here we go. I don't want a lot of this. Let's see some hands clapping. I need someone out of the back who really cares. Life is too short to play silly games. I promise myself, are we ready? I won't do that again. Loud as you can. It's got to be. Go for it, come on. Perfect, lovely. It's got to be. Everyone. Lovely. Too many people. They take this. But I won't take this. It's got to be. Loud as you can. Come on, let's squeeze this through. Go! Young hearts are foolish, you're wrong. They make some mistakes. They are much too eager to give their love away. Well, I've been foolish, yes I have, too many times. Now I'm determined, the whole room are gonna do it. I'm gonna get it right. Come on, all together.